Welcome back to Top Lingo. Today we will learn 50 similar words in English, also called synonyms. These words help you sound more natural and improve your vocabulary. Let's begin. Everyday synonyms: happy, glad, angry, mad, fast, quick, big, large, small, tiny, easy, simple, smart, clever, rich, wealthy, strong, powerful, tired, sleepy. Example: he's happy, he's glad. Part 2. Common verbs: buy, purchase, help, assist, ask, request, tell, inform, show, display, need, require, start, begin, finish, complete, choose, pick, fix, repair. Example: start the lesson, begin the lesson. Part 3. Adjectives: cold, chilly, hot, warm, beautiful, pretty, important, essential, funny, humorous, quiet, silent, clean, tidy, dirty, messy, new, fresh, old, ancient. Now we go to part 4. Useful everyday words: friend, buddy, child, kid, sick, ill, hungry, starving, job, work, home, house, idea, thought, problem, issue, big, huge, small, little. Part 5. More synonyms: answer, reply, help, support, happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, quick, rapid, slow, gradual, talk, speak, look, watch, love, adore, hate, dislike. Mini practice. Repeat after me. Happy, glad, help, assist, friend, buddy, answer, reply, love, adore. Good job! It was a great job. If you want part 2 of more synonyms, tell me in the comments. Please subscribe, like, and share. I love you very much.